So what's up guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial, and in this class we will be studying about the objects. Okay, so when I am defining an object called the properties and the values. So real life example of object I can give is of a person. Okay, so when it comes to the person got the property like name, first name, last name, age. Then person got hobbies, person got color, person got color of eyes. Okay, so this is how we can define the properties on an object. So let's get started and let's try to see how we can do that. I will create one file. I will save this file. I will give the name as objects.html and I will save it on the desktop. I will write the basic code. Okay, so now I will make use of my script tag, and inside of the script tag I will write my code. So previously when we were declaring the variable, I used to say v variable, then I used to say variable a is equal to 10, and this is how we used to assign only one value to a particular variable. Now if suppose I want to assign the multiple values to the variable, then I can do that with the help of object. So let me just give the name of the object as a person, and when we are declaring the object, that object comes or identified with the help of the curly bracket. Now put a curly bracket. This is just like function, but when we are making or use of a function, we make use of the keyword function over here. But when it comes to the object, we make use of the name variable. Okay, so when it comes to the person got first name, person got the last name, and we will see how to declare how to declare a object over here. Okay, so first of all I will give the property as a name, and I will give the value as Akshay. Then I will give surname, Maker. Then I will give the age. I will give age 23. So now as can be seen, I have declared one object known as a person, which got the property as a name, surname, age. And now if I want to uh, give hobby, I will give only one hobby over here, and I will say reading. Okay, and one thing that you should be making note of is each and every property value pair has been separated out with the comma. Okay, so each and every property value pair has been separated out with the comma. This is also separated out with the comma. And talking about the last one, you shouldn't be specifying comma over here, it will throw an error. Okay, so just make a note of this. So basically what this is, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Inside of this, whatever we have, this is known as the scope of a object, and name of object is person over here. Okay, now comes the accessing the properties of this object. Okay, so now if suppose I want to access this property surname, then what I will do, I will make use of the alert. I will say alert. Then I will give the name of the object, which is person. I will say person dot age, and if I'm just saving this, person dot age, and this is my page. I will execute this. Then I'm getting the output as a 23. If suppose I want to access name, then I will say object name dot property. Then I will come over here and I will refresh. I am getting the value, which is Akshay. Okay, so this is how you can access the properties of object. And now when it comes to the accessing the property, this is one of the method, which is name of the object dot the name of the property. And there is also one more way in which you can do that. I will say person over here, and I will make use of the square brackets, and inside of the square bracket I will be giving the name of our property. Okay, so if I'm just cutting this, and I will making use of the alert, and let me just paste this inside of it. If I'm just going to my page and refreshing, I'm getting this output. Okay, so now if I want to display my hobby, then I will say hobby. I'll come over here and I will refresh, then I'm getting this as a reading. Okay, so this is how you can access the properties of object. Now let me just show you how to print this out. So first I will print out the name of the person. So I will say person name, then I will concatenate surname of a person. So I will say surname and after that I will concatenate the age. Okay, after that I will concatenate the age, and after that I will concatenate okay. So now if I'm just going and refreshing, so I'm getting this output Akshay Mahekar 23 reading. So now if you want to intent this, then you can do the indentation by making use of the single quotes, double quotes and everything. Okay, so this is how you can access the properties of object. This is how you can declare a object. Okay, so this is the name of our object and these are the properties. So this is how we can give the multiple values to one variable, and when we give the multiple values to a variable, that variable is known as object. Okay, so thanks for watching.